Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the AP PreCalculus exam. First, let's understand the exam structure. The entire test is 3 hours long, divided into two main sections. The first section consists of 40 multiple-choice questions, contributing 62.5% to your overall score. The second section features 4 free-response questions, making up the remaining 37.5% of your score. Knowing this breakdown helps you allocate your study time effectively. Next, let's dive into the core content areas. The exam primarily assesses 3 units. Unit 1 covers polynomial and rational functions, making up a significant 30 to 40% of the test. Unit 2 focuses on exponential and logarithmic functions, accounting for 27 to 40%. Finally, Unit 3 delves into trigonometric and polar functions, which represent 30 to 35% of the exam. A strong grasp of these topics is crucial for success. To truly excel, consistent practice is essential. The multiple-choice section includes both calculator and non-calculator parts, so practice both types of problems. Utilize official College Board resources, especially past free-response questions, to understand scoring criteria. Crucially, simulate exam conditions by timing yourself during practice tests. This helps improve your pacing and reduces anxiety on test day, ensuring you can complete all 44 questions within the 3-hour limit. Finally, let's talk about exam day readiness. Time management is critical. Allocate roughly 3 minutes per multiple-choice question and about 15 minutes for each free-response problem. Remember to show all your work for free-response questions, even if you make a small error. Prioritize a good night's sleep and a nutritious breakfast. These simple steps can significantly boost your focus and performance, helping you achieve your best possible score.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.